When it's movie night in my household, we love to make popcorn, and there are so many different flavors. This one I'm going to spice up with some curry leaves and other spices like paprika. I'm also going to be cooking my popcorn in ghee. I love ghee. Essentially, it's clarified butter, so it's not going to burn, and it's also going to give our popcorn a really lovely flavor. So in a hot saute pan, I'm going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of the ghee, and we're going to add about 1/4 cup of popcorn kernels. And you want it to be quite hot, and the lid can go on. And that'll start popping in no time, but be sure to put that lid on because it will go everywhere. So for the spice component, again, I'm going to add a little bit of ghee to a pan, about 2 or 3 tablespoons. To that, I'm going to add some spices. So I have a combination of whole cumin seeds and some coriander seeds. I love the lemony flavour of coriander seeds, so that can go into our ghee. And a small spoon of paprika. And to that, I'll also add some curry leaves. I love the flavour of curry leaves. And also when you put it in that ghee, it's going to crisp up. So pop them onto the heat, and we're just going to let that sizzle away while this popcorn starts to pop. I can already see that it's transforming now. It smells so good. Once that popping subsides, which it has almost, we can add the spiced ghee. So we'll take the lid off, and then we're going to pour this delicious flavoured ghee over the top. Oh, look at that. And you can't have popcorn without a little bit of salt. So a pinch of salt over the top, and we'll give it one last toss. And that right there is my spiced ghee popcorn. Tell you what, this is going to make movie night a lot more fun.